USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. Before we do that, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find some links so you can join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. So join Telegram and then check out the brokers and the profit. And here, sign up with these brokers, start your demo account to start with. And I want you to have a separate broker account if you want to trade with my signals in the coming future. Okay, so don't mix everything. Only trade with my signals in a separate broker account. You can open your demo account right here before going like, subscribe, do all of that. It's free. Coming back to the chart here, USD CAD, starting the weekly or maybe the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly is we're taking a pullback. So in weekly we did create a new low, expecting this low to be taken out in the coming weeks, but that's far away. So this week we have blue candles. So Friday most likely will also be long for USD CAD, long as in buy orders. Okay, so until today, if this whole week has been blue, then it should end as blue. Okay, so weekly we're supposed to go upward. Daily, what do we have? Daily we made a new low and now we're taking a pullback. So I think you still have a chance to go until here. Okay, so use your fib levels from here till here, draw it, draw your Fibonacci, then pull back. I think we still might go for maybe 20-30 pips upside. Okay, so yeah, let's get back to 4 hour to see if we have any buying opportunity. And from here till here we were overbought. After overbought we took a pullback. After pullback, now we are going up again. Okay, and then we have a dollar news coming today as well, couple of times. So one, this is the news here, and then we have news here. I'm expecting dollar to go up today. Okay, I'm expecting these news to be positive for dollar, and Canadian is a very weak currency against dollar. Okay, so if anything, if dollar gets strong tonight, Canadian have no chance to stand against dollar, which means USD will go up. Okay, so keep an eye on the news as well. If the news for the dollar is positive, then you have the confirmation as well that you can go long for USD CAD. Okay, so as per 4 hour, if I would be you, I will be only looking for longs, especially the pullback is over. So right now we're trying to go up until this low is not broken. Okay, if this low is broken by any coming candles, then you will be going short, and that will happen maybe on Monday after the pullback. But for now, I think I'm only looking for longs in USD CAD, especially if the news comes in favor of dollar. If you like what you see, subscribe, share the video, and join the Telegram. Check out the broker, sign up with them. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.